I'm sorry. I apologize. But
I love you. We're so glad you're here.
wow, that is super weird.
Snack time, snack time, snack time. Blue! What is that?
Oh no!
Oh, you almost had it.
I'm never gonna defeat Surge!
Sure you will, Rex. In fact, you're a better Buzz than I am.
This is my favorite coloring book.
Hey there, Jude. Jude the Dude. Remember that one?
No, you left me at the park.
I didn't leave you at the park, Jeffy.
You left me at the park with a chicken nugget and you said, well, good luck, Jeffy.
Wow, Jeffy, you can talk like that? What else do you got, sir? What's with your sound effects voice? I got verse surgery. Oh, I mean voice surgery. So I can make sound effects by using me. Okay, keep making more. You got it, sir.
Hello, I'm Ann Martin, the teacher.
Caillou.
You're stupid!
Your mommy's gone. I have an idea.
What? No! I want a diamond ring and a diamond necklace!
Sure, Ben. Whatever you say. We're just doing a little courting, that's all. You know how much we like the hand. You know me, lady killer. You have us at a bit of a disadvantage here, Ben. There's 6 of us, and only one old fat you.
It's not good enough! It's not!
Just get out of here, you stupid, dumb animal.
Oh, if only you had your hand-stitched polyvinyl.
Would you knock it off, dude? That's disgusting.
You okay?
Trying to put out that fire.
And out come Bubbles.
Just call